Welcome to CAD/CAM laboratory. So already 2 parts completed. Next we draw for nut and cup of the screw jack. First we draw nut. The dimensions of the nut is first we draw a line. So open create parametric software. Go for new, create a path. Okay. Select the plane. Sketch option. Change the orientation. First we draw a line. The line distance is 45 and 45 minus 20 is 25. So the line distance is 25. And this point, so this line 25. And next we draw this portion. This portion length is to center to both sides is 90. Last is 45. Create a line. So 45. The total distance is 20. Draw a line. Line distance is 10. This distance is also 10. Give OK. Draw a line. The distance of the line is 6. Draw a line. Complete the sketch. Give OK. And use the revolve command. Revolve on the country basis. Give OK. The radius of the surface is 5. This edge is also 5. Create a round. This edge radius is 5. Give OK. And this edge radius also 5. Give OK. Our part is completed. Move for 5. Save as. create the second part. The part name is nut. And the profile, new, next part. Create a sketch, front view, sketch view. Next, draw a cup. The cup distance is 45 to this point, 22.5 diameter from center. Draw a line. The distance of the line is 12. And this distance is 45 divided by 2. Point is created. 22.5, modify the value. 22.5 divided by 2. Then draw a line. The line distance is 11.25. Then draw a line. The line length is, the total length is 42. And from this point to center point distance is total 65. Add 65 divided by 2. You OK. And I have to draw this part. The distance is 6 mm. Draw a line. Distance is 6. You OK. In line command. To complete the profile. Give OK. And use the revolve command. Revolve center axis. The profile is created. Give OK. Then there are 4 holes is there. The whole hole's diameter is radius is 5, so diameter is 10. Choose the plane, front view, sketch. So for sketch view option, then I have to project this line, close, create a circle. So circle radius is 5, so diameter is 10. Give OK. Delete the projected lines. Give OK. And extrude. Now the material is removed. So choose remove material. Top to last. So give OK. So one part is created. So go for pattern option. Pattern. Choose axis. Choose center axis. Give OK. So for part is created. Next video Have to see the screw, dummy bar and the special washer. Thanks for watching.